I'm working on one of the feet for the nest of tables, and it has this inlay in the curved section here. So I created a flattened shape that would fit right in there, and that is used then to mark out the taper and bandsawing this taper, but it also shows the location of the inlay, holly inlay. Then I used a marking gauge to cut in, create the cuts. This is 16th inch holly that goes in this groove, so I'm using a 16th inch wide chisel to dig the socket for that holly inlay. And since I've got cut marks on the boundary of the 16th inch groove, then just kind of using the chisel like a mortise chisel, kind of digs out that nice groove. And then I can remove the waste material. I've got a 32nd inch chisel here that kind of helps to clean out these little chips. It doesn't have to be very deep, just less than a 16th inch deep is fine. I'll cut the banding, the 16th by, or not the banding, but the holly stringing, I'll cut that at a 16th square, 16th by 16th. It's a little bit tricky with the holly down here because I need to pair the end of each piece so that it joins in the middle down here. So that's a little tricky part of getting the inlay placed. So you can see how this is going to go. Take a few more minutes to dig that out, then I'll be able to. I actually bend the stringing, holly stringing, a little bit on a hot iron, on a hot soldering iron, so I get a little bit of a bend that helps place that and hold it into the shape here. And then eventually I just file that off and smooth it off with a scraper, and it'll look like this.